Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about Uber Eats promo codes. You can check these meals. So if you tap on this, you will see this window pop up. What you have to do is just tap on this, go to checkout, and then you can see this promotion, delivery fee and fee. So what you have to do is scroll down a little bit and you have to tap on this promotion applied. Click on edit, tap on add promo, and you have to put a code here and tap on apply. So you have to use this code. After putting this code, click on apply, and if you see this error, what you have to do is you can see this offered by Brooklyn Bagel Bakery. It's zero delivery fee, so valid for current order while supply lasts. You have to select it and you have to tap on done. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.